Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I got another tank model and well, what can I say? It's another Dragon DML kit and it is the M-46 Patton. It's from the Korean War series. This particular kit, this one has been out of production for a little while, but I think you can still pick up the M-46 Patton from Dragon. I think they've got the new reiteration of it. Anyway, others have done the M-46 and done a great job with it. This is an older molding, so keep that in mind. But we're going to look at it and see what it is that what it is that makes this so appealing. Besides the price is lower than the other kits. So here's your side box art with some nice Korean War paint job on there. And there's your light for your mantlet. So the M-46 was pretty much just an upgraded M-26 Pershing. So you're going to see a lot of stuff in here that looks Pershing. Well, it is. It is. But it had an upgraded engine. Had the same gun. Let's see if I can get these destructions open. Here we go. Okay. So here you are putting the wheels together, the bogies together, the back end of the lower hull together. Putting on the suspension parts, the torsion arms, and the shock absorbers. Getting the lower hull put together. And the engine deck, which is much different than just a regular Pershing. And all the other details, your exhaust, your toolboxes, some final pieces there on the front and back. Then we move to the turret, where we have a couple of different options for the mantlet. And we have that nice light, that nice spotlight, which I think is going to go on this one. And finishing up the turret. And boy, that's it. As far as the assembly instructions. And then for painting, you've got two different options here. You've got the 6th Tank Battalion of the 24th Infantry in 1951. It's got that nice yellow tiger painted on the front. And then you have the 1st Marine Division in 1952, and they have the big light on it. So I'm probably going to do a Marine Corps tank. Not that I don't want to do the tiger. I've done that on a couple of other projects though, and how many do I need, you know? So anyway, let's move on to the kit and see what it looks like. Had a friend, well, he was a supervisor in my early days in the school district that was had been a Marine at the Chosin Reservoir. Yeah, we didn't talk a whole lot about his wartime stuff, but back in those days. So here are the decals, which are pretty neat in and of themselves. Wow, the engine deck on this thing. So there's your engine deck, mantlet, and your other parts for fenders and such for the hull. And here are your Man, just kind of a hodgepodge of things, from hatches to grab handles to suspension parts, small gypsy rack, all sorts of stuff on here. More suspension parts. This is sprucey. It's sprucey. Your supports for the spotlight, grab handles, Pioneer tools that look good. This is an older kit. I really do not know what year it came out. I guess I should check and see. It's kit number 6805. And I don't see a copyright. So, yeah, I'm not sure. Let's check here. Copyright 1995. Marco Polo Industries. Okay. Let's look at the turret. This comes with a mantlet as well. As I said, there was an option of different mantlets we could have. They look the same to me, but I'm not the expert. So here's your 90mm gun, and your phone, and your first aid kit. The lower hull. 2 pieces for the turret, and your other mantlet. Now, I'm not going to take these out, but it's your wheels. You've got periscope guards right here. Periscope guards, suspension parts, wheels, and your sprockets, light guards, a few other little pieces here and there. And then for the tracks on this, it has these individual length plastic tracks, which are going to be, there's 4 sprues of these, and here's all the guide teeth up here. So this is going to be, that tedious stuff that I don't like, putting those tracks together. But that's it. That's the kit. Pretty simple. A couple weekends, I would imagine, you could have this done and build a pretty decent rendition of an M-46. So there you go. All right. Well, thanks for joining us today on The Stash, folks, and we'll see you again next week.